So I didn't think we were doing this today, and I come downstairs and look at it. Oh, homemade chicken fucking minis. Look at it. Holy crap. Eggs and bacon. I know it's nighttime, but it's a great way to start off the day. Back again, vibing out on the daily vlogs. Daily vlog 41. Guys, we are 9 days away from 50 straight days. That's absolutely insane. I got some awesome oh wow. I got some awesome truck content coming for you guys today, so stay tuned. Hopefully we get the airbag off today. I got a surprise for the boys at work. All kinds of great stuff going on today. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Stay tuned, just stay tuned. Just watch, please, just watch. Now Lance, I know what you're gonna say.
Maybe I already said it.
I know what you're gonna say. My surprises aren't always the best.
Yeah, they are.
But
I always like your surprises.
I feel like I've one-upped myself from last time.
Well, I wasn't here that last time, so I don't know.
This is what we got today.
Oh my god.
I'm pretty excited.
It's not a secret.
Movie theater butter.
Oh my god, Jake's gonna be.
Jake's not gonna be able to handle himself. Man, I feel like I'm back in Florida, how it's like raining and sun's out. Stupid. Hold on, because I haven't filmed this yet. Dude, I've got birds. Y'all aren't gonna be able to see this, but birds, for whatever reason, today just wanted to go to town. All like, look at this shit. Like, literally, look at this shit. Holy crap. It's like, I don't understand. And the other side's perfectly clean. The other side, nothing happened to the other side except for that one little spot. And this side, just, what the f? I was gonna see if Matt could wash it today. Huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Obviously, the reason why we're here today, Boost Auto Parts. If you guys do not have Boost Auto Parts mirrors on your truck, you are living your life wrong unless you drive a Ford or a Dodge or something. Then you've got bigger issues. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. So Clay picked up the Boost Auto Parts mirrors. For whatever reason, I don't know if it's the newer body styles or if it's the older ones. I don't know what the deal is. You guys can tell his are slanted a little bit. He's got all the stuff he needs to be able to fix them so they're leveled out. I don't know what makes those different than mine, but mine are leveled without having to do anything. I think they turned out absolutely great. I think we have the exact same tow mirrors actually. LED switchbacks, smoked lenses, chrome caps, all of it, which, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. They look absolutely amazing. And I genuinely think if you have a lifted Chevy truck, you need these tow mirrors, you know. I had the stock ones on there and I was 100% okay with it for a long time, but after seeing them with the tow mirrors, you definitely need to make the switch if you have not done that. Neither of us have them wired yet because we're some lazy fucks. And well, he's not lazy. He's installed them today and he's gonna wire them today. I'm waiting for a wiring harness to come in because I'm lazy and I don't like to do all the custom wiring. And again, huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts. Awesome mirrors, absolutely love them. I think one of the coolest things about these mirrors is I can see how wide my truck is all the time now. Before, you know, it's, some of the normal mirrors, you have like the little circle magnified mirror in the corner. Yeah, fuck that. These, you got a much bigger one and I can literally look at how wide my truck is all the time. You guys can see the look at the bird just, oh my, I can't get over that. Matt, get off work and come wash my truck. Again, sticking with the 93, got to, it's under $2. I just cut the grass, which is why there was a random clip of me cutting the grass in there, and I did stop and pick up 5 Hour Energy. This time I got a water instead of a chocolate milk just because I cut the grass and my stomach's really upset today, and I don't need to make it any worse. But we're headed over to Matt's house real quick after we drop the mower off so we can get the bird shit washed off of my truck and see if they got the switchbacks working. I'm really excited to see how the switchbacks turned out on Clay's truck.
It's been a couple of days, and now I'm doing what I want to, but nobody telling me what I'm gonna do.
It's really cold, so we're not gonna wash the whole truck. That side of the truck is fine. This side, I'm just gonna get him to, it's bad. Like, it's so, I told you it was bad. I told you.
I'm gonna do an Instagram thing.
So much bird shit on the side of the truck.
Friday night I watched it.
Yeah, he washed this. Like, I know y'all can see the little dots all over the place. So Matt's gonna get me right though. Oh. Look at this big motherfucker. What's going on over here? How many people does it take to wire some?
Like 5 to 10.
Oh, okay, all right.
Me and Jacob, the only 2 people that's been working for the past hour.
Okay, I'll come back in a minute. Whose feet are this dirty? That's so bad. Whose feet are this dirty? Who's driving the truck?
We should compare. No,
Compare dick sizes? Because mine's tiny. Look at that truck. Mine's tiny. Oh wow, you had to put the windows down? I remember my first time driving with 5% windshield tint.
Put the wheel lights on.
Only the back ones work right now. Don't put the wheel lights on. Sick roller, bro.
100%. Hey, you actually have a cool truck for once.
Damn. I like this, Tundra.
Hey, it's not an import.
You got this.
You go,
I believe in you.
Yeah, Chevys have actual power. Be careful.
Look, it's that wide bow tie.
What's up, guys?
Shoot, there's
Don't forget
actually
to like and subscribe.
Squeak, squeak. Look at the red taillights, or the red, what are they?
the hitch receiver thing.
Fucking mint. How was it?
Amazing. It was amazing. First 5 seconds of my life.
A little bit.
What you doing?
Sitting on a tire.
That. I'm telling you, those tires are good for a lot of things. How do you feel right now? You're about to get wet. He's about to wash the truck. Yay, it's all clean now. Thanks, babe.
I didn't even know what we were talking about.
Ooh, all clean. This side's all clean. The other side's not clean, but at least there's no bird shit on the truck anymore.
Were you on like the news or?
Are y'all almost done over here? No. How bright this light is. Jeez. Jeez, hey, can y'all hurry up? It's cold.
Selfie action here.
Ow! Selfie. Oh man, that's bright.
Get that good,
I'm about to trip on the wire.
Good lighting.
Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Lighting.
That's
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
So you have a Florida tan, so it's easy.
Woo!
Hey,
Hey,
now
hey, actually, you know what I gotta say? Boy, oh boy, I gotta get into light. You know what I gotta say while I'm getting blinded by this light right now? Let's get this fucking bread.
Get the fucking bread, baby.
Look at it. Let's go. That looks so good. Turn the blinker on. Blinker. Let's see it. Blinker. No, that's the windshield wipers.
That's not working blinker. That's not working on the blinker.
That's the windshield wiper. Come on. I believe in you. You can do it. Switch on the left.
Ah, fuck. Something's not working on the blinker.
Switch on the left. It's a switch on the left. Come on.
Come on, the scene is taking too long.
Come on.
You almost had it. Are you feeling me, Mr. Crab?
I can cut it out, so it's okay.
Difficulties, give us a second.
Do you know where the switch is?
I don't know.
I don't know, all these lights are driving.
It's a switch on the left. I believe in you.
For $19.95, you can rent this motherfucker.
Hey, this is what we came to see though. I need to get mine wired. I need to stop being lazy. That looks good. I'm proud of you.
A few moments later.
Hell yeah! Hey! So if you guys are wondering what the Boost Auto Parts mirrors looks like at night, I'm sure all of you have seen them. That closed by itself. Okay, all right, looks good. Oh, turn it.
Hey, go back in reverse.
Go back in reverse.
Tiny.
Let me see the reverse lights. Hey, wow, that's bright.
Yeah, I know, right in my face.
Whoa.
That's what you need all the time.
I feel like I need to the light on.
Put that at the end of the video.
This is weird.
Oh, it's good. That's good. You get a good shot of the truck with it too. Oh, there we go. You want to do a walk around about your truck now too? Talk about it.
Thanks for watching. Yep. This is so cringe. Oh my god. Huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Boost Auto Parts. If you need tow mirrors, you know where to go. That's holy crap. That's bright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. A lot of Tahoe stuff on the way, so you guys hit that subscribe button. Hey, if you didn't see on Instagram, give me to 10K subscribers, and I'll get a hashtag bread gang tattoo somewhere. You guys get to pick. It can be anywhere. And I mean anywhere. Yes. You, right now, that's thinking weird, it could technically go there. So, give me the 10K, please. I'll be your best friend. All right, I'm done talking. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get this bread. Actually, you want to say it? Say it.
Let's get this bread. That's what I'm talking about.